gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold no matter what.
It's when they love you so much, they can't even let you go to the washroom. Stop! Sissy May! I went to the washroom! Mimi went to the washroom! Did you miss me? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. You miss me that? Oh, dear. You miss me that much? I know. But I have to go sometimes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? Okay. Will you forgive me? Okay, you guys, we gotta go take care of the animals, and I don't want to because it's cold. I keep telling myself, oh, later, later. No. Yeah, I had my breakfast. It's time to go feed the animals, and I'm bringing you with me. You're coming out in the cold too. So let's get going. Let's get moving. Good morning. You ready to come out? Let me let the girls out first. Morning, ladies. How we doing? Come on. Come on, everyone. How is it going? Is she cold today? I don't know how long I'm going to keep you guys out for. Well, we got 3 eggs. Gotta change some food and waters today. Yes. Watch out. Let me down. I know you want a treat. You gotta go get your treat over here. I gotta go get you guys some corn. You gotta let these 2 out. Come on. Come on, let me get your treat. I only got eggs and spinach today. That's all I got, girls. We used up all the mealworms, and I thought I ordered them, and I didn't. No. Just some spinach. Enjoy your treats while Mama takes care of all the waters. Oh, Ellie Mae, for goodness sakes. Oh my gosh. My water is solid today. Hey. Sorry. Don't mean to scare everyone, but he's frozen today. There we go. Hey, stop! I gotta go get more water. Can everybody behave while I'm gone? Okay. I'll be back. You guys are out of food. Okay. They behave while I was gone, you guys. time to feed the birds. Oh, they must be hungry. Hold it. Extra food for them today. Cold. Okay, you guys, walking the dogs. No day off today. I mean, it was cold, but it's warming up now. The beautiful sun's out. There's not a soul around. It's peaceful. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Look at that sun in the sky. Yeah. Makes you feel good. Makes you want to do things. Makes you want to keep moving. So let's go. Let's go down to the lake. Okay. Let's go see the lake. Oh, she's calm today. It's quiet. Oh, look at that. Look at the sparkling on the lake. Hey, a little bit frozen here and there. Yeah. Nothing like it usually is. Yeah, it's starting to freeze a little bit. But out there where the boats come through, it'll never be froze. Because they'll plow through it. Beautiful Lake Erie. Can't wait to feel the warm sun on the beach. Soon, you guys. Soon. Okay, we got all our chores done outside. So, it's time to watch the Pioneer Woman.
Topping it with cheesy croutons before I serve it. Wow, is all I can say.
Wow. Okay, after Pioneer Woman, we're gonna venture to Walmart. I haven't been in a while, so I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna write a little list so we don't forget anything. Hopefully I don't forget my list or don't forget to take a picture. So I'm gonna go do this, and then after Pioneer Woman we'll head out to town, you guys. Okay, you guys, we're ready to head to town, get a few things done in town and come home, and we'll be able to relax a bit. We got a lot accomplished today so far. So let's go, guys. Let's head to town on this beautiful sunny Saturday.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you.
Okay, that's good. There was a lineup when I went by to go to the P.O. box. There was a lineup, but there's not one now. So let's go see what we can get in Walmart, you guys. Look at those slippers, you guys. If I needed slippers, I would get them. But I don't. Pretty empty in here, you guys. Nobody's around. I'm following the way. One way. Need the cord for the girls. Okay, I'll show you the line before we head out. It's not too bad. Ooh, it's getting longer though. Hey. Okay, guys, let me show you what I got. I got 2 family-sized Cheerios. I got these cute little Valentines. They're cheaper to buy them like this than it is to buy cards. Cards are like $3 or $4 a piece. I got this book, The Wrong Family, and Pretty Little Wife. I wanted to see if it was the same author, but it's not. I really like these ketchup crunchy chips. And then I got about a bag of sour cream and bacon. I got these 2 things. My heart beats only for you. And love you more. I got this, it's Pioneer Woman. And it's got, like, for that, like, for cupcakes. Making cupcakes, or cake, or whatever. I really liked it, so I got it. Oh, Zen, stop! I got this for Nathan. I don't know what's inside of it, but we'll find out. I needed a new toothbrush. Only place I can find the spinners is at Walmart. Okay, I got some eye drops. I ended up getting this penny because you guys were right, I did buy gluten-free or something like that. The wrong pasta. So I'll donate those boxes. And I got this one because tomorrow is penny for dinner. Do you guys remember how powdery these used to be? They used to be awful. Oh my gosh, try one, hun. They're so good now.
They're shiny.
They taste like a sweet tart.
They're shiny.
Hell
Hell of a good chip dip.
of a good chip. Corn was 2 for $5. I bought 2 of them. I got the whipping cream I needed.
Whip it good.
I got 2 honey, sweet baby rays.
Can't handle the hot?
Yeah, but I like the honey and I didn't have any left.
That was just a taste test anyway.
How would you think of your lunch yesterday?
It was delicious.
Mine did. It was good. I got 2 packs.
Sorry.
2 packs of chicken breasts for the dogs.
That chicken tasted like goldfish. The breading?
Oh, come on. You seen me breading it.
No, I didn't.
You're being smart.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Bruce is making us each a salad while I put the stuff away. Okay, you guys. For this Valentine's recipe, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're gonna need some strawberries. Mine is cut in half, so if you want more, then use 2 containers of strawberries. So I need 1 container. I'm gonna go wash these up in my new Pioneer Woman bowl.
What's that?
And
Where did you get that?
today, you need a package.
Did you? That's beautiful.
You need a package of, what do you call these? Dessert shells.
Shortbread.
Okay, so I'm gonna go wash these strawberries up, and then we're gonna, I'll show you what we're gonna do with them, and then I'm gonna make some whipped cream in the, you also need some whipping cream. I'm gonna make that in the mixer over there. And I'll be back. Okay, so there's our strawberries. I'm gonna put sugar in there. Put a tablespoon of sugar. Hopefully this drains out the juices. Like I said, it's hard to get juices out of a strawberry in the wintertime. Very hard. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside and get everything together here. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna put this together. Now I got these containers at the Dollar Tree. I like them because you can see through them, and the dessert will look wonderful. So I'll just do 1 with you here. I'm only gonna do 4 because, well, there's just, Nathan won't eat this, so. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some strawberries on the bottom. Okay. And then cream. More strawberries. A little bit more. Then I'm going to put some of this, rip it up and put it on. Okay, so basically we're going to start over again. Strawberries. Okay, and then the cream. Now you can, these will last a couple days in your fridge. No problem there. And the longer they sit, the more that soaks in, eh? Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit on top like that. And then, okay, I just went ahead and made 2 of them. Because there's just the 2 of us that are going to eat them. So that'll be dessert tonight for our steak dinner. It's so simple. You can make such a sweet cute dessert for your family. I wouldn't load them as much as this, but I just wanted to get 2 out of it. So I loaded them pretty full. Okay guys, so I got the shrimp out for our campfire dinner tonight. And this is what we got. We got this at Costco. It was supposed to be for New Year's Day, I think, or New Year's Eve. But we didn't make it. And then I have 1 steak left from Costco, and I just split it in half. Because they're so thick. I'm going to spice it up, and that'll be ready. It'll all be ready to go on the campfire later on. I like to put my spices on, and you let them sit for a while. Oh, yeah. They really go into the steak. Okay, so I got the chicken cooked for the dogs in the Instapot. Some of you recommended doing my ribs in the Instapot. My ribs will never touch that Instapot. Never, ever. I like it. I don't love it, but it's okay. Like, I would never put my ribs in there. Or my steak. Never. No.
We're going deep into the fire. Deep into the flames. So we're having an outdoor barbecue today. I gotta go get the stuff. But she's gonna have to burn down a little bit, I think. I don't want to burn everything. But we're getting there. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I got the mushrooms and the steaks cooking. Here you get it better. Nothing better than charbroiled steak on the barbecue. On open fire. The shrimp and the 1 steak has to be cooked because she cut them in half and one's a little thicker. But yeah, look at these morsels. They even got the charred marks on them. Hang on. Hold on, we just a swinging. Yeah, we just a swinging over the flames. Anyways, wanted to show you.
Pass me the chicken, honey. Hurry up. Okay. Okay, Bruce, tell them what we got tonight.
Tonight we have
Come on, Sam.
Camp Open Fire cooked shrimp by Ma and mushrooms by moi on the fire, and a steak by me on the fire, and potato skins from my wife. I think them are TGIF potato skins. And that is Saturday night at the cottage campfire dinner. And if you want, you can join us. And my champagne is Fanta.
Give those shrimp a taste and see how you...
Oh, they're gonna be. I'm the one who cooked them.
Well,
Telling me I didn't cook them. Where'd that one go? Flew on your plate. Oh my frickin' God. Oh yeah, they're not cooked.
No? What do you guys
Perfect. Oh my God. Bam! Oh my God. And these mushrooms, I know they're gonna taste just as good.
Look at, you got a cottage napkin.
Oh my God.
From Pink Fairy.
Thanks, Pink Fairy.
Crystal and Tim and Haley.
And crew, thank you. Them are cool.
Aren't they?
Yes. This meal's dedicated to you.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna give the steak a try.
And she just christened me with my pop.
I said, put the lid on it. You know what I'm like? You know how where's the lid?
I don't know.
Because you know what I'm like.
I don't know where the lid is. I don't know what
Well, you
did with
didn't
it.
bring it in here. Did you? Is it in the kitchen?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have a mushroom with my steak.
Don't move the table, please.
Oh my god. Unbelievable. That's all I can say. We had these since I bought them before Christmas, I think. Amazing. These aren't that great. I won't buy them again. I got those at Costco. Do you like them, hun?
I love them. So there's a fight now.
But these...
She'll buy them again. First time we had them.
Now that's a shrimp. Now that's a shrimp.
Is it? Sure?
Mm-hmm.
So am I. Whoa!
That's not a good idea. You made it worse by putting it in a glass.
You're accident prone.
Absolutely amazing dinner, you guys. And come back for dessert. Okay, you guys. I got a few cards in the mail, so I'll share. This one's beautiful. It's with sympathy. And it's just... Oh, what is this? Oh, I'm going to keep this note. I'll keep that note aside. I'm not sure who it's from. May memories of your loved one comfort you at this difficult time. This card is beautiful. Yes. I'm not sure who this is from. I'll keep this private. Myra from Cleveland, Ohio. I'll read that note later. Thank you, Myra, for the beautiful sympathy card in the note. I'll read that later. So sorry for your loss. Thank you. Michele, Bruce, and Nate, may you find some comfort in the sorrow that you bear, just knowing there are many hearts that understand and care. With sincere sympathy, much love to you all, Jane and Tim. Oh, that's our good friends. It's our good friends. She just wrote a little note here for me. Thank you, my friend Jane and Tim. Our friend Jan and Tim.
Thank you.
You know who they are. I always have to remind. If he doesn't see the face, I have to.
She's on my page too. There he is.
Yes.
Aren't they from?
Oh, look at this cute card. Have you ever seen something so cute? Look at, oh, look at, you see that? There's our van, honey. Yeah. Look at that, you guys. I have never seen this cute card before. Oh, oh my goodness. Michele family, may your holiday celebration be groovy and classy. I need light in here. I can't see. Merry Christmas. I love your videos. Mary.
Want that other one on?
Yeah, maybe that would help. Mary. Oh, I forgot to see where you're from. Mary. Mary from Pennsylvania.
How's that? That's better, eh?
Yeah.
Want to point it a little at you, maybe?
No.
Okay.
I know my friends Jane and Tim are from Pennsylvania too. There's so many of you from Pennsylvania. I wonder if you know each other.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
I thought they were from Michigan.
No, that's Schnauzer mom.
Oh, okay.
he can't keep track of you all, guys. But don't worry, don't worry. I keep track of them.
I know who they are. I just didn't know that's where they're from.
During this difficult time. Oh, I got a lovely letter note here. I'll read that later. Michele family, let God's deep love, understanding help you in your grief, for He is there to ease the pain and bring your sorrowing heart relief. Love and prayers, Deretta? How do you say that name?
Yeah. Dorita.
Yes, I'll read for my family only. Thank you, Dorita. Thank you so much for thinking of us.
I'm pretty sure that's how you say the name.
My mom, you know, she loved you all. She never knew who any of yous were, but she knew you were my friends. Okay, this one is from Rhonda. Okay, where are you from? Mad Fort. Okay, what's Oak? Is that Oklahoma? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. May time ease your sorrow and soothe your soul. Sending love and hugs to you and your family. Take care, my friend Rhonda. My friend Rhonda. My sweet, sweet friend Rhonda. There's so many of you I wish I could meet one day. You know, it's just, you're just so kind to us. Is that them all? I think I got them all. Thank you so much, you guys, for taking the time to send us card in this Christmas card. I've never seen anything like it. If you can comment on my comments, I'd like to know where you got this. I just love it. I love it. I love it. That is our van. I love it. And thank you very much, you guys, for thinking of us. You know, I'm kind of at peace because really, if you think about it, my mom's been really kind of going downhill for 2 years, so it took me, we went along, you know, and I'm gonna miss her I miss her every day. We talked every day, and she was my best friend. We did everything together. We traveled together. We seen things together. She supported me in the way I raised Nate. She stood up for me, and she was my best friend. Yeah.
You were bingo partners for the longest time.
Oh yeah, we did. Before I even had Nate, I mean, we must have went every day. We did something every day. It got a little harder after I had Nate, but still, we'd pack Nate up in the car and we'd go we'd go places and shop and yeah. And she always said when she'd buy something for Nate, she said, I have to catch up. I have to catch up. Yeah, you know, I got all my other grandchildren something. Now I gotta catch up with Nate. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna go get dessert and we'll try that and we'll say goodnight, you guys. Bruce showed me that my little heart thing stick. I didn't know they come up and they stuck. Stuck. Anyways. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay guys, before we say goodnight, we're gonna try our dessert. Strawberry shortcake.
Mmm.
It's good, eh? Simple and good. Have your bite, you guys. We want to thank you guys for joining us and come join us for Sunday at the cabin tomorrow. Good night, everyone.
Night.
Say good night. No. Say good night.
Night, everyone. Hope you had a good Saturday. Stay tuned for Sunday, fun day.